friends, and welcome back to this beautiful riverside. Being near the river is wonderful, especially for those who like nature. Also a perfect spot for picnics and camping. In this lesson, we will complete our chapter on money by doing some fun word problems. Let's begin. Myra bought a tent and some firewood for $87.50. The cost of the tent was $65.40. What is the cost of the firewood? Myra spent $87.50 on 2 items. We know the price of one item, the tent. To find out the price of the other item, we subtract the price of the tent from the total price. Let us convert the dollars into cents. $87.50 is 8,750 cents, and $65.40 is 6,540 cents. 8,750 minus 6,540 equals to 2,210. 2,210 equals to $22.10. The price of the firewood is $22.10.
Many animals and birds who eat fish often live close to rivers, like the bear, the badger, snakes, and birds like the crane and kingfisher. There are more than 1,000 different species of fish that live in a river. Let's move on to the next word problem.
Simone's boots cost her $27.60. They cost her $11.30 more than her muffler. How much did the boots and muffler cost her all together? What do we know? The cost of Simone's boots is $27.60. The cost of the muffler is $11.30 lesser, or $27.60 minus $11.30. That equals to $16.30. The 2 items cost her $27.60 plus $16.30. That is equal to $43.90. Here's another word problem. Kiara and Dan had the same amount of money. Kiara spent $4.30 and had $12.70 left. Dan bought a jacket and had $8.40 left. How much did the jacket cost? We know that both had the same amount. Let's find the amount. Kiara had $12.70 plus $4.30. That is the same as $1,270 plus $430. That equals to 1,700 cents or $17. Kiara had $17. Therefore, Dan also had $17. Dan bought a jacket and has $8.40 or 840 cents left. So the jacket cost him $1,700 minus 840. That equals to $860. The jacket cost him $8.60. Rivers are wonderful and give life, but unfortunately, they are also polluted greatly by man, causing so much harm to nature and animals. The next time you visit a river, remember to keep it clean and do not litter in or around it.
The sun is setting. It is time for us to gather around the bonfire and for you to try out the quiz.